Alright guys, in today's video and mini series we're going to be looking at how to update and later on upgrade your actual software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back to the tutorial here. Now, in today's video, we're going to just be having a quick brief overlook on how to actually update your program. Now, it is important to understand that there is a difference between updating and upgrading, which we'll be covering through these videos. So updating, the process will be to basically put a newer version of the base program. So that will be the user interface and all of that. And then upgrade, this is something that you can purchase afterwards. So if you want extra features from maybe a pro version or something like that, then you can also upgrade depending on your needs. But yeah, so for updating, first thing we want to do is find out what version you have of the program or which version. So in order to do that, you just want to start up your program. Then we want to go to help under our on our last menu here. Okay, my zoom's currently not working nice. So we want to go help, then we want to go to about. If we click this, they will give us a little about FabriCAM dialog, or we can see some relevant information. But also right under FabriCAM, the word here, we've got version. So we can see currently we have 1.0.6.7. So basically 1067. I'm going to say okay here or accept. Then what you want to do is you want to go to your web browser and then go to am.co.za. So once you've typed that in and it brings you to their main website, what you can do is we go here to our first drop down menu, which is machines. Then we want to go down to software and drivers. Now once we've clicked this, it will take us to the bottom page here where we can see the different softwares available here. So if we go to FabriCAM, we can see here updated 2, and then we've got the latest version here on the right, and then also a release date. Now if it does say there's a later version, what you can do is click here on FabriCAM, and then it's going to take you to the actual site where you can get the update. Now there's a few different files here, most of them you don't have to worry about. So the one you're looking for is the FabriCAM installation version, and then with the latest version higher than yours or the one you're currently using. Now it is important to note that this is or these updates work from top downwards, so the lowest one will be the latest. So just make sure you're aware of that, and then you can download that and simply run the installation. But yeah, otherwise that is it on updating your program. Like I said, this is not quite upgrade. We will be looking at upgrades in the next video, or the next maybe 2 or so videos. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.